Client loyalty and trusted brand are top of the list. But how do you achieve that as a wealth management firm? Well, number one, you have to really walk the talk. So you can't just say you're a trusted brand. In order to do that, it starts to point back to number one, the interaction with the client has to feel personal. They have to feel you know them, that you've studied kind of the needs, the goals, the objectives, the experiences that they want to have. But the data also has to be accurate. The reporting that you're doing with that client has to be accurate. And a big part of trust is service. So if we think about ourselves, right, if we're out there as a consumer and we have an interaction with a firm, a simple thing like not being responsive or not getting back to me and solving my issue within an acceptable time frame starts to break my trust. And the study reveals that clients will walk away from a bad experience more quickly than ever since the pandemic because the bar has been raised. And wealth management firms are being compared to the best consumer experiences out there. So going back to the service experience, it needs to be quick, fast, personal, and you need to give me a channel of choice. So maybe I want a bot to begin, or maybe I want human interaction. So not forcing an individual or a team into a set model is very important when it talks about trust.